Hello everyone, my name is Shashank Fatkure and I am a WordPress developer. I have been teaching on Udemy for 3 years and I have like 8,650 students with 2 courses. This will be my third course and I am excited to teach you how to create a professional music WordPress website. We will be using WordPress for creating the website, and the theme that we are going to use is the Kantha Visionary Music WordPress theme. The theme has many demos that we can choose from. You can see that we have a good amount of demos. I will show you how to customize the home page and other pages. The best part of the theme is we have the world's first ever and unique real-time music visualizer. For example, you can see if I click on the play, see this is what we want. We also have full screen video backgrounds. For example, in this demo you can see a background video in the home page. I will show you how we can do it on other pages as well. We have 3 different designs for the menu and it's super responsive for both Android as well as iOS and other devices. We can not just add music, we can also add album releases. For example, in this player you can add albums. We have music artist page, music events page, music page, and as well as we can sell merchandise and music. For example, this is an artist page. An artist page has its own logo, background, featured image, albums, biography, video, SoundCloud, events, and much more. They can also sell their music and they also have the power to promote themselves with the social profiles. We can have events and gigs. You can see an event page as well as the events can be cards or list. This theme also provides the power for podcasting and has a good amount of customization available. I will also be adding some more functionalities to the theme by adding some other plugins like Yellow Pencil, WooCommerce and other plugins that will make your website more beautiful. The page builder that we will be using is Visual Composer WP Bakery and it's compatible with WooCommerce, so we can sell our music as well as merch. So let's get started with the WordPress designing.